This video will show you how to remove and install the handle of a Caroma dual flush toilet with a lever handle. Before you start any type of maintenance on a toilet, you should always turn off the water supply to the toilet. Flush the toilet to remove most of the water. You don't need to completely remove all of the water to do this maintenance. The handle on your Caroma toilet is held by a handle cable box. To remove it, loosen the nut by turning towards the back of the tank. Pull the cable box straight out. You'll then need to loosen the wing nut holding the handle in place by turning it in a counterclockwise direction. Remove the two washers and pull out the handle. Installing the handle is pretty simple, but you need to watch for a couple of details. First, when you're looking at the handle, you want to make sure that the little rib on the handle shaft is facing upwards. Insert the handle into the tank hole and then replace the two washers. You need to replace the black rubber washer first and then the white plastic washer. Now install the wing nut to hold the handle into place and hand tighten. While holding up the handle, connect the cable box to the handle by aligning the rib on the handle assembly with the slot on the cable box outer nut. Turn the nut on the cable box toward the front of the tank until it's tightened. Remember, you have to hold the handle up while you're tightening, or when you're finished, that handle will still be pointing downward. These are dual flush toilets. By pushing the handle downward, you'll get a full flush for solid waste, and by pushing upward, you'll get a reduced flush for liquid waste. Now you can turn the water back on, replace the lid, and you're done. For more information on this or any Caroma product, please contact our customer service team at 1-800-460-7019 or by email at help@sustainablesolutions.com.